to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.
Hello viewers. It's another day on Eagle Eye Angle. Today we are going to prepare vegetable stew with rice. So please like, share and comment for us. Thank you. I have my chicken meat here, my carrots, oil, garlic and ginger, tomato puree, salt, egg, natural spices, my green pepper, my turmeric powder, onion, rice, GRS spices, tomatoes and pepper. So family, follow me to my kitchen and see what's next. Hello my lovely family. I think this time around I have to start chopping my ingredients. As I have been telling you always, I can't do a day without cooking with these my natural ingredients, which are onion, garlic and ginger. So viewers, watch me as I'm about to chop them. Okay, lovely family, as you can see, I'm done chopping my 3 ingredients, my onion, garlic and ginger. Without wasting much time, I have to start chopping my carrots as well. I'm chopping my carrots. I have my green pepper here as well. Okay family, I'm done chopping my carrots and green pepper. I'm coming to chop my spring onion as well. I'm chopping my tomatoes too. Well family, I'm done chopping all my vegetables. I'm going to start preparing my food now. So please follow me to my kitchen. Okay family, today there is no light, so I have to grind everything by myself. Because there is no light today, I decided to grind it in my earthenware bowl. I'm setting up my fire now. I'm about to steam my meat. I'm setting up my cooking pot on fire. This is my chicken meat. I have to steam it first. I have to wash it very well. I'm adding my chopped onion, adding my salt. I'm just adding small amounts of garlic and the ginger and the onion just to steam it. So now I'm adding my tomatoes as well. I'm adding my onions. I said today I'm taking you guys to a different level. And then add my pepper. And then add my tomato puree. My natural spices. Jaware spices. Wow. Okay, I'm cracking my egg. I'm adding my egg, my cracked egg, just to make my stew so delicious. Okay, it's time for me to add my vegetables. Wow! See what I have here. I'm done with the stew, so I'm going to boil the rice. Colors to have food. Okay, family, as I'm done with my gravy stew, I have to boil my rice as well. So as you can see, I'm putting my water on fire and then add little amount of coconut oil, little, and then add my salt. Okay, my water is boiled now. Adding my rice. I have to cover it for a while. I just added little spring onions, carrots and green pepper just to garnish it. Okay, my rice is well cooked, so I think. Hello guys, I'm done preparing my food, my delicious gravy stew with rice. So now I'm coming to serve. This is my stew, my delicious gravy stew. And wow. Okay, family. I'm done serving my food. As you can see, it's so delicious. We are going to enjoy it. You can join us.
Welcome back once again, family. Yes, to Egewa Yanko. We thank you. We want to use this privilege to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you. Today is a brand new day, yes, of course, and we are taking you to a different and a special, food. We believe most of you know rice, yes, but then this is kind of different, yes, because we have our gravy still here, and we have our, we have our chicken, yes, chicken and our egg as well. It's very special, yes. We believe to most of you who started watching everything from the beginning, yes, from the onset, you saw how everything went. So, without taking much time, we would only urge you, yes, we want to urge you to like the channel, subscribe, share, and then finally, don't forget to leave your comment. It could be in a question and then in a suggestion form, yes. Thank you for being with us. God bless you. Eagle Eye Angle.
Subscribe.
Very big thank you once again to everyone. You can see everything has been killed. Yes, everything has been done and dusted. We want to urge you to like, share and subscribe, and then finally you leave your comment in the comments box. We make sure we attend to any comment that drops in the video. Make sure you click on the bell so that anytime we drop a new video, you're going to be the first person to have a notification of that. Yes, before we sign off, we want to say thank you and God bless you all. Bye.
Eagle Eye Angle.
Subscribe.
Hi there. We would like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.